Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Rema Bakeware is probably one of the most essential tools in any kitchen, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out. Selecting the right bakeware can significantly enhance your cooking and baking experience, making it more enjoyable and successful. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Rema Bakeware, exploring its features, benefits, and why it might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Number 5. Rachael Cucina 10-piece Nonstick Bakeware Set. This 10-piece set from Rachael includes everything you need for baking. It features a variety of pans for cookies, cakes, muffins, and more. It's perfect for both novice and experienced bakers. Made with heavy-gauge steel, this bakeware set is built to last. The rolled rim edges are designed for easy, everyday use. You can rely on it for all your baking needs. The latte-colored non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. Whether you're baking cookies or a cake, you'll find that food slides right off. Cleaning is a breeze. The silicone grips on the handles provide a comfortable and secure grasp. Even with pot holders, you'll have a solid grip on the pans. It makes handling the pans easy. This set is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It includes essential shapes for various baking tasks. From cakes to cookies, it can handle it all. The set includes a cake pan with a lid for easy transport. The cookie pans are great for sheet pan dinners. The round cake pans are also perfect for roasting. What we like. This set includes all the essential pans you need, from cookie sheets to cake pans. The silicone grips make handling easy and safe. If you are a beginner baker or someone who enjoys making a variety of treats, you should consider this set. It's designed for both convenience and performance. What people say. The nonstick works well and does not chip. The metal is very thick, much more sturdy than any other pan's cookie sheets I have ever owned. Nothing sticks to them and they clean up very easily. Number 4. Elbee Home 8-piece Nonstick Baking Set. Introducing the Elbee Home Baking Set, a complete solution for all your baking needs. This set includes everything you need, from roasting pans to muffin tins, all in one convenient package. Tired of cluttered cabinets? This space-saving design ensures all pieces fit neatly into one box. It's a baker's dream, keeping everything organized and accessible. Crafted from aluminum-coated carbon steel, this set is built to last. The non-stick surface makes baking and cleaning a breeze, and it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. This set is safe up to 420 degrees and rust-resistant, ensuring it can handle all your baking creations. You can rely on it for years of use. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This baking set is ideal for weddings, new homes, or anyone who loves to bake. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive selection of baking essentials in a compact design. All the pieces fit neatly into one box, saving valuable space. If you have a small kitchen or are looking for a practical and organized baking solution, you should choose this set. It's perfect for those who value both functionality and convenience. What people say. Light, compact, well-constructed, non-stick surfaces. Easy to store and doesn't take up much room in the cabinet, plus it is practically just wipes clean with a paper towel. These pans take up a little space, stacked perfectly, clean up well, and are very sturdy. Number 3. USA Pan Large Non-Stick Cookie Sheet. This cookie sheet is proudly made in the USA. It's a testament to quality and durability, ensuring it will last for years to come. Featuring a Mary coat, this pan ensures your cookies release easily. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort. Constructed from aluminized steel, this pan is built to resist warping. This ensures even baking and consistent results every time you use it. The patented silicone coating is PTFE, PFOA, and BPA-free. It promotes quick release of baked goods and minimal cleanup. Just wash it with hot water and mild soap. With dimensions of 17 by 12.25 inches, it's the perfect size for baking. It's ideal for cookies, pastries, and more, providing ample space for all your baking needs. USA Pan is a Bundy family company. They have been manufacturing high-quality bakeware and providing jobs in the USA for over 50 years. What we like. This cookie sheet is made with a special coating that ensures easy release and cleaning. It is also proudly made in the USA. If you like to support local manufacturing and want a reliable, easy-to-clean baking sheet, you should consider this one. It's a testament to quality and durability. What people say. These are great baking pans that heat evenly and are easy to clean. The cookies were evenly baked and slid right off the pan. Finally, a sturdy cookie sheet that's easy to clean. Number 2. Nordic Ware Natural Sheet Cake Pan. This pan is made of pure aluminum, ensuring it will never rust. The superior heat conductivity of the material allows food to bake and brown evenly. The pan features tall sides, providing a larger capacity. It's perfect for double or triple size recipes, whether you're making brownies or bars. From sweet treats to savory dinners, this pan is your go-to. It's ideal for sheet cakes, sheet pan dinners, and everything in between. The reinforced encapsulated steel rim prevents warping and adds strength. It also includes a BPA-free storage lid to keep your baked goods fresh. The exterior dimensions are 17.88 by 12.88 by 2 inches, and the interior is 16.5 by 11.38 by 2 inches. It's easy to clean, and hand washing is recommended. Proudly made in the USA by Nordic Ware, this pan is built to last. You can rely on it for all your baking needs. What we like. This pan is made of pure aluminum, ensuring even baking and browning. The high sides are perfect for larger recipes, and it comes with a lid for easy storage. If you are looking for a pan that can handle large batches and keep your baked goods fresh, you should consider this one. It's ideal for both sweet and savory creations. What people say. The bakeware is easy to clean. The nonstick coating works great. The pans are sturdy and well made. Number 1. Calphalon 10-piece nonstick bakeware set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for baking. It comes with a large cookie sheet, cake pans, a muffin pan, and more. It's the perfect set for any baker. This bakeware offers improved release, up to 2x better than the classic Calphalon bakeware. You'll find your baked goods release easily, making cleanup a breeze. The interlocking non-stick layers provide high-performance release. This means your food won't stick, and you can enjoy perfectly baked treats every time. The heavy-gauge steel core ensures even heating throughout the pans. This helps to prevent hot spots and ensures your baked goods cook evenly. Cleanup is easy because this set is dishwasher safe. Spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your delicious creations. The cake pan cover also fits the brownie pan, which is convenient for storage or transportation. This feature adds extra versatility to the set. Built with durable and sturdy construction, this set is made for long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for all your baking needs for years to come. What we like. This set offers improved non-stick performance for easy release and cleanup. It includes a wide range of pans and is dishwasher safe. If you are looking for a set that combines convenience with high performance, you should choose this one. It's designed to make your baking experience as enjoyable as possible. What people say. These pans are great. Nothing sticks. Very easy to clean. My wife bakes sourdough bread, and the loaves come out easily, with a nice browned crust. Chocolate chip cookies slide off easy, you barely need a spatula. Heavy duty and well made. Complete set. Perfect for baking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.